Hello, Hamish and Sandy here. We're talking about redundancy cover, right? What does it mean? Some of the actual ins and outs. So let's kind of get into that. You might need to move a little bit more forward, Sandy, because the focus is. I notice it's going in and out of focus. So, but who offers redundancy cover?
So actually, there are only a couple of the providers in the market. They can provide redundancy insurance.
Really? Wow. Even in this economic climate.
Yeah.
They're brave. Is there a stand down period? Because of course I'll just wait till I hear about my redundancy and then get it.
No, I don't think it's possible.
Yeah.
So they do have a stand down period, which is 6 months. So any announcement or any news happened during the first 6 months after the policy commencement, it can't be covered.
Okay. And if I do have redundancy cover, and then like how long, if I do become redundant, then how long will the insurance company help out for?
Okay, so they will pay you a monthly benefit for up to 6 months.
Yep.
Or if you already got a new job, then they will stop the payment earlier. So so it should be enough for you to find a very decent job. You don't have to be rushed to find a job because you need to pay the mortgage or your bills.
Yeah, and I mean currently there is a cap, right? So it's not it won't cover all your bills, but if it'll cover, like, it'll help.
Yeah, sure.
So I think you mentioned that cap. Is it like
4,000 per month?
4,000 a month. Okay, so which is for some of us, it's a good decent amount of help if there's no money coming into the family. The other thing, of course, it is something that is easy. It's better to do early, right? Because if the news is in the media that this industry is being laid off, then you're going to find it harder to get my cover added on.
Yeah, true. So just for example, if something your company is on the news, then maybe there will be some underwriter, they will think of the job is not secure.
Yep.
So I'm not sure, but the underwriter, they may check the news. Also just be aware that redundancy cover has to be attached to a mortgage or income protection. So it's not a standalone policy.
It's an add-on to a couple of companies. Any other information out there that's important right now? I think you told me about a really good, amazing promotions that are going on, right? These insurance companies seem quite keen to do business at the moment.
So it's quite a good time to consider your insurance because many of them are doing promotions. So ranging from like 1 month, 2 months to 3 months premium free with different providers.
And that's pretty good for the budget. But you had another really good one for medical. What was that? An insurance company offering medical insurance. They are now doing a promotion to cover pre-existing conditions after 3 years with them. So so that will normally be excluded. Then it can be covered after 3 years. Which is amazing for medical insurance. And I think that's why we do try and urge people to have it quite early on, because there's so many possible claims. It's good to get it before you have the health problems.
True.
But this particular policy sounds pretty amazing. There is a few exclusions and things, right? So they probably need to talk to a good financial advisor like yourself for to have a look at what's possible. Cool. And what's the best way to get hold of you? Is just Sandy at monline.
Yeah, Sandy at monline.co.nz.
Yep. Cool. Thank you for watching. Thanks for that, Sandy.
Thank you, Hamish.